Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start now. Confirm your BMW model and head unit support Android Auto. This saves wasted effort. Next, prepare your Android phone with Android 10 or newer and update Google Play services. Make sure Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi are enabled. Use a quality USB cable, USB-C or USB-A depending on your port, and inspect for damage. Once done, unlock the phone and plug into the BMW USB port. Allow any pairing prompts. Make sure the car is in park so settings are editable and the screen is responsive. Now install and open Android Auto if your phone needs it. Grant permissions for contacts, SMS, location, and microphone because the car uses them for calling and navigation. On iDrive, go to Communication or Connections, choose Mobile Devices, and add a new device using USB. Select the phone when it appears. On the phone, accept prompts and choose Android Auto or Projection. Once paired, select Android Auto on the car's display. Make sure media audio and phone audio are both enabled so apps can play sound. Finish by customizing Android Auto shortcuts and defaults. Pick your navigation and music apps for quick access. Test calling, navigation voice directions, and media playback to verify everything works. If anything misbehaves, restart both the phone and the vehicle's iDrive system. This often resolves handshake issues. If connection still fails, swap to a known good high-quality USB cable, toggle the phone's USB mode between charging and file transfer, or delete and repair device entries in iDrive. One key tip: clearing Bluetooth pairings on both ends often fixes stubborn pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.